Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Welcome to Smoky Mountain RT, guys. This is my hangar. It's a kind of a small hangar. It's packed full of stuff. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to make a small video, quick video on look. It's flat. Everybody's like, what do you do, guys? And I already fixed my other one, and I figured, hey, we'll make a quick video on this, show you how, guys. It's very, very simple. You just got a few screws you got to deal with, but it's simple, guys. But first thing you got to do, guys, I'm using hex head 1.5. So first thing we gotta do, guys, is pop that cap off. That cap right there, that gives you access to all your stuff in here. Then you got a little collar here, just loosen that. See, guys, I'm just gonna lay all the stuff right here in the front. Now look, guys, your wheel just slides off. It's tracking it, pretty cool. See, guys, you got 3 screws here, 3 screws here, 3 screws here. And that's all you got to do is take that off, guys, and we'll show you. I've got the camera, should be tracking it. There we go. Very simple, guys. It really is. I mean, it's pretty simple. I thought it was gonna be hard. They say they're glued. I don't know if they're. I didn't find any glue, guys, but it don't need it because it's pressure fit. You know, it's Wow, the camera's doing that. We'll just stop that. We'll just do it like that, guys. We'll zoom in a little so y'all can see. I'm trying to get the focus right, guys. There we go. Now see, guys, once you get them screws out, that right there pops off. And see, you have the rim. See how that's loose in there? And this other side's the same way, guys. It looks like this side's pretty good. What we're gonna do, I'm just gonna double check these and tighten these down. No, you know what? Let's go ahead and do it. We'll just go ahead and check it. Might as well, huh, guys? And really, guys, that's the worst thing about this is the screws. You got 12 screws, so. But once you recenter them, put them in there and screw them all back down, and be mindful not to over tighten this because these are plastic, guys. There's no metal in here other than the screw, and it will strip it out. I stripped one of mine out earlier, but it's still holding, so we should be okay. See, guys, it's simple. Now watch this. You get all the screws outside. See, guys? See the end, there's little like tits that's poking out here. Them always goes up, guys. The flat side goes down against that. We'll just go ahead and take this out and I'll just show you guys. Look. See, guys? That's the inside of the rim. And there's your, your air thing. But guys, right here, watch. All you gotta do, and there's really no direction. I don't guess. It doesn't matter which way that's turned. It's the same either way you go. You just stick that in there. You want it to be inside both sides. See how it's inside there and it's inside there. You just stick it in there. Then, guys, what you gotta do? You gotta. You can see this ring right here. There's a little ring. little indentation groove right here that goes around the rim, all the way around it. The edge of your tire, put it evenly on the edge of that. Once you get it in there, guys, it kind of falls into place by itself. It's got like grooves in the rim, and see, once you put it in there, look guys, see, and it's kind of locked down in there. Then all you do, make sure, guys, see, you got the one with the air pressure thing, so make sure you get the one with the double hose in it. Flat, see, you got them grooves on this side, and then you got a flat side. The flat side goes against the rim like this, see, flat side down. And you just put that over it. It's like it right there, guys. Now I like to keep pressure on it, hold it down a little bit, get you a screw started. And then I like to go to the other side, get me another screw started exactly same way across the other end, guys. And then I go ahead and start them a little. Go ahead and just, you don't tighten them all the way down, just barely, just right when they start to catch. Tighten them all down when you get everything done. Alright guys, I'm going to set this back down on the table. A lot easier, faster. And then you just start putting screws in it, guys. And that's it. That's all you do. Simple, simple. Like I said, the worst part about it, you got 12 screws per tire. The worst thing about it. Alright guys, and once I get all the screws in it, then I go through and snug them all down. And like I said earlier, be mindful you can't over tighten this because it is just plastic, guys. Oops, see that? That was just about stripped. Alright guys, next, other side. See how it's kind of moving around in there, you know, the thing, see how it's moving? Once you can feel them grooves in there, once you push that in them grooves in there, and now look guys, see it won't move, them grooves lock it down, and that's what seals the tire, is when you stick it in them grooves and you put that other top plate on it, it pushes, you know, it compresses, it pressure fits. Alright guys, same deal, look, flat side goes down. Only thing you gotta do is just line your hose up, guys, you know, make sure your hose are lined up the same way. Lining the hose up. And there we go. Alright guys, I'm going to layer back down here. We're going to tighten them down. Here, I'll zoom in a little more for y'all. And I always start with the center one on both sides. Don't snug any of them down. Start with the center, then go to the center. And then I'll snug them down just a little bit. Alright guys, start putting screws in. Then hopefully I had everything right, and we'll throw some air in it and we'll see what happens. Pretty simple guys, it really is. Simple, simple, simple. Uh-oh, got a screw gun. How'd that happen? Where at, screw? There it is. No, it ain't. Huh. Well, guys, I don't know where the screw went. I got one here. It probably worked. No? Huh. Well, that's strange. Oh, there it is. Battery had it. Yep, we're about done, guys. You know, it takes a minute to do it, but like I said, you know, the screws is the worst part. I start going around snugging them down. Don't over tighten them because you're dealing with plastic. Alright, guys. Let's go ahead and air the tire up. Take the little guard out. Alright, guys, here we go. See if it works. Well, look there, guys. This one has got a hole in it. Right there. So, thank God I got another tire. But anyway, guys, you look, it's holding there. Let me pause. I'll be right back, guys. I'm gonna go grab the other ones that I fixed a minute ago, and I will be right back. Alright, guys, I'm back. And right here is the other tire that I fixed earlier, and it is still good. This one, just a small little puncture. I don't know if you guys can hear that or not, but yeah. So anyway, guys, we're gonna put this one on there. So this one's a good one, and this one's a good one. So yeah, I must have hit where I fly at. I must have them sticks and stuff, or them gravels or whatever, or probably. I know what I'm gonna do. I am going to deflate the tire some, though, guys. All right, that's about right. And the guys, I like to just put them up beside each other and kind of look at them, see if they're the same roundness. If they're the same roundness, then you kind of squeeze them and that's how I kind of check them, guys, because you really got a pressure gauge. So I just stick it up right beside of it like this and kind of measure and look and see, you know, you can kind of tell if they're the same size or not. And that still needs to kind of. Alright, guys, I believe that's it. Alright, let's put the little nipple back in. It's hiding from me, it's black on this table. There it is. I can hardly see the black pieces. Alright, guys, nipples back in. I done had the cap off, so what only thing left to do is slide it back on there. Oh yeah. Alright, guys, take your piece. And it does have the come on, focus, work. It does have that little hex head 1.5 meters, so. And there's a little flat ridge on top of this, guys. Here. I don't know if you guys can see. There's a little flat spot on the very top of that right there. Right on top of that, it's flat. And that's where that little hex head screw goes down and holds it. Sorry, guys, trying to get the camera pointed at it. go. Alright guys, just stick that back up there. And the hex head will always be pointing upward, guys, so just remember that. That'll make it a little easier. I mean, you can kind of wiggle it around like that while you're tightening it, and it'll give you a good secure tightening. There you go, guys. Put your hubcap back on. Just pressure fit. Doesn't matter which way it goes, guys. Just push it. Listen. Snaps. And now you're good to go. Oh yeah, guys. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So now we got the turbo timber, or the super timber, my bad. Yep, guys, we're ready to go. What I'm going to do, I think I'm going to get me some hard tires to put on here, guys, because where I fly, I take a lot of sticks and stuff, and them little sticks are just hitting and putting holes in the tires and stuff, and little sticks and stuff for it, guys. So it's just, yeah. Yep, guys. And for anybody that's out there, this is my Hangar. It's kind of a small Hangar, but as you can see, all my stuff. My J10's usually sitting here on the table. I've got it out there sitting on the couch, actually, because I ain't had a lot of room to. I mean, it's packed, guys. It's got stuff over here. There's the turbo timber, load Viper, load Trojan. Over here's my graveyard, guys. See my graveyard? Look down there. Everywhere, guys. Everywhere. Anyway, guys, hope that helps you. Anybody that's having the same problem or having the flat tires, hopefully that'll help y'all out there. Yep. Stick that up here. There we go. Alright, guys. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Hope that, like I said, I hope that helps you guys out. This has happened ever since I've had this plane. I've had problems with the tires. I guess it's just maybe where I fly at, you know, all the little sticks, rocks. I mean, there's sharp stuff everywhere, and let's face it, that's pretty thin. So, but yep. Anyway, guys, we got her. We're ready. I can't wait. Anyway, guys, hope y'all enjoyed it. If you like what you see, guys, and check out my other videos. We got all kinds of different videos. We got crashes. We got some turbines here. Over the weekend, went to Tennessee Eagles RC Field, guys. A great group of guys. And I know you guys probably seen on you probably seen his own YouTube channel, Send It RC, Joshua Miller. Awesome guy, man. I got to meet him. He's a pretty cool fella, and finally got to meet Alan Rockwell. I hope I got that right. Yeah. He's got on his YouTube channel. Check him out too, guys. It's Alan's RC Adventures on YouTube. Pretty awesome guy too. He's the one that I filmed. He had the turbine jet, the Super Viper. So that was badass, guys. I liked it. And yep, check out Joshua. Send It RC. Killer, guys. He just won that beautiful Eurofighter he's got, guys. You need to go in there, check it out, Motion RC, and look at that thing, or go on his YouTube page, check it out. But it's awesome, guys. It's amazing looking. He did an awesome job. I like it. But anyway, guys, hope y'all enjoyed it. Hope we get back out there at that flying field and have some fun. Maybe we'll take this the next time. My propeller, I didn't have a propeller last time, for the first time I went out there, so maybe we'll get to take it next time. But anyway, guys, hope y'all enjoyed it. Until we do it again, stay fine and God bless. And bye.